it to the spot with the boys. They're all pretty far from each other except this person, Kobe. Were you talking about socially distancing drinking yesterday, and now you're like kissing Roberto over here?
I don't drink.
Yeah, we're gonna check these things out. We got obviously Stupid F, and we got the Huracan. You guys have seen it on the channel before. Check out the vlog on it. Very rudely interrupted. I got the C63S. It's got the factory forged wheels, and we got our RS3 out here from our boy. I think he vlogs, so check him out. Yeah, check out this man cave, man. This man cave's so lit. Like, imagine just freaking chilling here, like a man with the boys. With the boys, that'd be so sick. What if I got a place like this in a couple of years, man? Like literally just to chill with the boys. I'll be like, hey guys, it's boy day, you know? Like, come over, we'll have some, like, that would be sick, man. Just like, I can have like the RST right there, obviously, because it's my baby. And they're probably broken anyway, so we can just chill right there. And we can do like some, we can have some like brew, and no, we won't have alcohol, too much liability, but that'd be sick, man. Can have like a bunch of canvases of myself. Grill some brews out there, maybe have like a lot of parking for the boys. We'll do like truck day and like Lexus day or some shit. Maybe it'll be, dude, maybe we can do like a point system. Like we'll do like clout points or something, and then if you're like the top 10% of the point system, you'll either get invited to be with the boys for like a barbecue day, or you get like a gift card or something if you're out of state and you can't make it. But these are all dreams. I can't afford this right now, especially with this whole COVID thing going. But that would be the goal, man. Get the Lambo, get a little man cave, get a point system going for the boys. Hell yeah, man. So the Porsche out here, just got a check engine light on the way here. So checking it out, making sure everything's good. Apparently these are the only 3 in the US of whatever custom thing this is. This thing's freaking crazy, man. It's like you hit something right there, but look at those wheels. I just like the way they did this thing, man. This thing's freaking nutty. The neck collectors, alright. And I'm guessing that's how many necks it's broken. Dude, I love how these things have the exhaust up top, dude. That's like all factory rear end, right? He hasn't done anything to it.
It has the P1 interior.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Pretty dope.
Seats, I don't know. We'll see. You're up next. Me versus you.
You guys want to park at Javier's a little? Yeah, we'll follow you. Okay. Brett, we're gonna park at Javier's a little bit.
Ray, this Tesla will beat you. Javier's. Bailey, how was it?
Well, you know, having the slowest car out there today.
Your car sounded good.
Yeah, I saw it. It's not very fast.
No.
Dude,
there was for sure some cars that were faster than others. this guy's car. This thing was quick. Dude, holy shit, that shit was so fucking fast.
The 600 LT has me, but I can keep up with Roberto for sure.
Yeah.
Dude, can you beat Roberto, or you're just keeping up with him?
I can probably just keep up with him.
Really?
I saw you hit it. I saw you hit it once, and I'm like, what the
Yeah, because it's
Yeah,
a
it's a
quattro.
rocket, dude.
It's
Yeah.
a quattro.
It's a little rocket.
Hey, Roberto's trying to flex on Instagram. Let's go ask him some questions.
Roberto,
Hey, Roberto, we have some questions for you.
are you flexing?
What
Are you
Yeah, we have
flexing on
questions.
the gram?
Yeah.
Ew.
No, but really, we have some questions
What the
for you.
fuck?
Hey, no. Listen.
Did you lose?
Yeah, why is everybody keeping up with you?
Because he ain't have a tune. This is turbo.
No,
Mine
I'm
has
not
turbo.
talking about the McLaren. We're talking about that white C63 and that black Audi over there, bro. What's going on?
My stock AMG.
I'm not ready when he said when we speed the first time.
You have a Lambo.
I know, but after I pass him,
That's a slow
I just
Lambo.
not get ready.
Why don't you buy a fast Lambo?
The others I beat, just one I lost.
Your car is very sexy though.
It's very. It sounds very,
sexy.
very nice.
Sounds amazing when you downshifts.
It sounds so good. Just don't race anyone.
No, it's just.
Rich, who won?
I don't know, man. This car. This one.
I'm trying to bully him into getting some twin turbos.
Yeah.
I would have been
On the road course, you're still doing
the
like.
wrong way. My stupid camera.
Oh, what? There's an old
I think he wants to smoke. My buddy just rolled up in his Camaro SS.
Is that your buddy?
Yeah, in the SS. Yeah, he wants to join in. He just doesn't get out of the car because his dad's older. What's up?
That guy's not down.
Hey, yo, dude, I think he wants smoke, bro.
He wants to smoke.
Dude, that's bait, bro. I think he wants smoke. The Lambo, man. boy, looks like there's a Mercedes meetup going on all of a sudden. Got some anime action. It's crazy, man. I guess this is the place for meetups. Got a little Savage C63. That's a Black Series, I think. That thing's actually pretty nice. Damn.
Take care. Hey, you want me to film?
Are we gonna meet up at Sendero? Dude, don't worry about the filming. If you just have fun.
Yeah.
If you guys happen to be there, then shoot something, because I want your dad to have fun.